How can I clone a hard drive directly to the image? I would like to make a VirtualBox, the image out of my hard drive. I found how-tos online that describe doing this by first using DV to create a raw image, then using BoxManage to convert the raw to a V. So if my HD is 1 TB, this process, temporarily, requires 2 TB of space, to store both the raw and V. I only have a bit more than 1 TB of free space. Is there a way to create the image of a hard drive, without first having to create a raw image?
You can directly create an image with BoxManage Convert from RAW. First unmount the device, then replace /dev/sta with whatever disk or partition you want to clone. You may need to do this as root to gain access to the device. If so, then you should change ownership of the finished image.
I tried the accepted solution, but for me it failed. Maybe it couldn't detect the size because the disk was attached through USB? So instead I got the size of the disk width, disk L. And then I used the STIN form of convert from RAW.
There are other safer ways to create a file of your current system that VirtualBox can work with. These are VirtualBox specific files and are usually only generated by VB from a fresh virtual hard disk install. You have many other options. I recently used Disk2 VHD to create a VHD, Microsoft Virtual Hard Disk, that VirtualBox imported beautifully. Although it was an XP system, I don't think it works well with other OSes. Alternatively, there is Moire's converter tool that can export your system to a variety of formats that VirtualBox as well as other platforms can use. There are open standards for this kind of thing. This URL.
There are several tools that can be useful for your purposes. Spox Tools, Disk2 VHD, Simple VHD Manager, VStool, Mount VHD, Disk Dump for Linux, etc. Source: incremental cloning.
From